Mariah, Solomonson. I built the charger rails that are up on the buses. It's better because it gives us more jobs financially. It helps give people a reason to go to work, helps people transport us to and from work. It gives us a voice. My supervisor is very understanding if things come up or if I need a solution to something or I have a problem, he usually helps me right away. There's a 2-week training course that's amazing. You get to learn majority in the classroom the first week. The second week you get to do the on-the-floor training, which definitely gives us an idea of where we're working, what we're doing. Then we can expect better workers. The environment, the people here, they make it feel like it's home. Like everybody's just so welcoming.